Welcome to Under the Microscope. This series is brought to you by the Real Scientists Nano team. Our goal is to provide a platform where scientists can communicate their work and interact with the public. With that in mind, every week we introduce you to a scientist working in the field of materials and nanoscience. Hello everyone. Today we have with us Rachel Oliver, who is a professor of material science at the University of Cambridge. Hi Rachel, how are you doing?
I'm all right. How are you?
Good. Excited to speak with you today. Let's begin. Could you explain your research in simple words?
So I work on a material called gallium nitride. Now, lots of people actually have gallium nitride in their homes and maybe don't even realize because they have these energy efficient LED light bulbs. Now, the LED there is light emitting diodes, and the bit of a light emitting diode that emits light is a crystal of gallium nitride. Now, those are like really amazing energy saving devices compared to the old kind of light bulbs, which just kind of sort of bent wire which glowed when it got hot. They're maybe 5 times or more as efficient. So we're wasting much less energy with these devices. They're great. But it's really interesting. It turns out that their structure at the very small scale, at the nanoscale, is incredibly important for how efficient current devices are and for making even better devices in the future. So I work on understanding that structure, and I work on making new small scale structures in these materials that will be part of other devices in the future as well.
Wow, that sounds really cool.
It's
Awesome.
fun.
Awesome. Then that brings me to my next question, which is what can the followers expect in the week that you will be curating the Real Sci Nano account?
So I'm going to start off by talking about what a light emitting diode is. I guess plenty of scientists will understand what a diode is, but I'll talk a little bit more about what sort of devices we make and why they're important. And then I'm going to talk about why this is a nano problem. So why the really small scale structure of these devices actually matters. For me, that means that because I'm engaged with the nanostructure, I do lots of microscopy, and I'm going to talk about some of the techniques we use and some of the new techniques we're developing. And then because I love gallium nitride, it's a great material and you can do loads of things with it that aren't light emitting diodes. I'll talk about some of the other applications of the same materials and about other ways we use nanostructure there. And then I thought at the end of the week, I might slip away from kind of my absolute scientific research and talk about some of my other passions, which are particularly improving diversity and the representation of women and ethnic minorities and other minorities in the sciences. So I might talk a little bit about that at the end of the week as well.
Okay, awesome. That sounds super cool. Looking forward to your time on Real Sci Nano. Thank you very
I'm
much.
looking forward to doing it.
Thank you very much for speaking with us.
No problem.
Thank you for listening. To know more about us, please visit our website realscientistsnano.org and follow us on Twitter at realsci_nano.